microphone. Alright, sound check. Sound check. Sound check, everybody. Is it working now? Sound check, sound check. Looks like it's working. Julius, Ala, Clara, can you hear me? Type in the chat, yes I can hear you, or type in the chat, no I can't hear you. Okay now, alright everybody, type in the chat the currency pair that you want to check. Maybe you are in a trade that you don't understand. Okay now, thank you very much, okay now. See, I'm not that ignorant, right? Okay now. Type in the chat, long, short, sideways, strategies, indicators. We can go one by one, indicate first, or you type in the chat which one you want. Any trade ideas, not a big deal. Oh, and I was talking about that this morning we shorted the market with the beginners group on trading.live. And now we're shorting USD CHF, it's going well so far. Okay, this was this morning. But what about you? Type in the chat the trades you are in, especially the losers. You need to learn from the losers. You need to learn from the losers. Boss, what do you mean? Learn from a loser. If there is anything to learn, maybe there is not. But you learn from a loser in the sense that don't repeat the same mistake again. Alright? Talking about trading.live, we just started. We're 1 month and a half in the Forex course 101. Talking about Dukascopy webinars, Dukascopy streams. And remember, Forex trading week, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We're here to implement what we have learned so far into the live markets. Julius, are you in any trades? Clara, are you in any trades? Ala, are you in any trades? Let me say hi again. Boss, thank you for the help on SDCAD. My mistake, I didn't chart the right highs and lows. Not a problem. Everybody, it's a quiet week, right? Alright, do you want an easy one? Do you want an easy one? I'm not going to tell you what to do. How will you trade euro dollar? If there are no questions, if you don't have anything to share, if you don't have any trade ideas to talk about, if you don't have any currency pairs to check and analyze, I am going to give you the currency pair, right? If USD CHF is going down, Clara, I have closed all my trades. Wow, with profit or loss? With profit or loss? And everybody almost forgot, right? So what is going to happen, Dukascopy traders? This one, Saturday 26th of November is going to be one morning, 4 hours. We start at 8 AM New York time, alright? It's going to be the US dollar index course. It's a mini course, it's a workshop, you know. And I'm going to teach you basket trading strategies. Okay? This is a basket trading. This is just an example. Seeing here? This was a basket of currencies. Shorting AUDs, meaning, you know, the dollar was strong, right? Strong dollar, shorting AUD, shorting the euro, shorting the GBP, shorting the NZD, buying the USD CAD. The first currency is the base currency, you know, and so this was a basket trade. Profit, 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 profit. Doesn't happen every single time, but it happens most of the time. Alright? This is new, Saturday 26th of November. We are in October. Alright? Learn how to maximize your profits with the US dollar index. And basket trading, you're going to learn my basket trading strategies, alright? No, believe me, I'm not arrogant, but people don't know. Make sense? I feel too much, you know, because I have a guy who is trying to help, but those guys don't know, you know. My mentor is telling me that I am too nice, that I feel too much, that I should talk, you know, and I should say. Most of people, they don't know how to use the US dollar index. Not for trading anyway. They don't know how to basket trade. Make sense? Most of them, not everybody, but those, they have no idea. Alright? And again, I feel bad telling this, but it's the truth. Alright, moving forward. GBP JPY. No profit, no loss. Why did you close all the trades, Clara, then? Shola is asking GBP JPY. Shola, what's the idea? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? I'm going back to demo. Wow! I have closed all my trades. I'm going back to demo. No profit, no loss. Clara, if you want, you can partner up. You're on the live account. You can partner up and ask somebody to help you. Make sense, Clara? Not mandatory if you want. Alright, Chola, this is the chart, everybody. That's the chart. We finished Fibonacci's and we finished indicators. Shola, what's the plan? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? What's the plan? We can leave stochastic 1438. We can put simple trading indicators. We can put add indicator MACD if you want. We can put MACD, you know, simple indicator. So stochastic is telling you this market is going to fall. MACD is telling you we are still trending up. And now that we talked about the indicator, Shola, what's the plan? What's the plan, Shola? Everybody, how are you going to take advantage of GBP JPY? Type in the chat, long or short? I cannot teach you everything in 1 hour, but if you would know how to use the yen index, right? Tell me your secrets, boss, tell me your secrets. Sometimes it's overwhelming. Tell me all the secrets, right? Tell me your secrets, how are you making it? Everybody, you have, not on J4X, unfortunately, Dukascopy, you need to improve, Dukascopy, you need to improve. But you have the US dollar index, you have the Canadian dollar index, British pound, Swiss franc, euro, and you have the Japanese yen index, which is a mess anyway, you know, monthly, weekly. Yeah, it's not that smooth anyway, right? Not that smooth anyway. And you know, when the yen index goes down, then all the related currencies, not pairs, and not all of them, and not always, you know, are doing the same. Shola wants to go long. Alright, Shola, what pattern? What pattern, what time frame, where the stop loss, where the take profit? So we have, this is the monthly candle, we have bullish momentum, you know, we have extension, retracement, extension again on the short-term trend. Weekly chart, this was the bet. Weekly chart. Stochastic is in the buy zone. Weekly chart. The market is breaking the. So far, we need to wait for the week to close. But so far, the candle is breaking the counter trend line, and long. But the market must retrace prediction. You know, not sure if the market hit the Fibonacci extension. Give me a second, everybody. And yes, it hit. So out this one, this is from the classes. And give me a second. We have a new Fibonacci, and I need to zoom out because I'm not sure. Oh, red goes to red. Red went to red. So this is the new Fibonacci. And do we have any Fibonacci's in here? This was without the Fibonacci's. This is with the Fibonacci's, right? And this is still the weekly chart, everybody. You can see bullish pressure. And talking about the daily chart, Julius, Clara, Ala, and everybody else, you are quiet. Now it's the time for you to do the work. I labored enough during this year, so now it's for you to tell me long or short on GBP, JPY. Talking about timing and everything, everybody. This is not a class, we are here to trade, right? It's the Forex trading week. What's the plan? Show along, what time frame, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit, what pattern? There is no right or wrong anyway. Julius, you have a great audience, come on. What are you going to do on GBP, JPY? Whatever time frame. This is the system, we talked about indicators, whatever. 4-hour chart, GBP, JPY. And Fibonacci's, up and down, up and down. Let's continue with the 4-hour Fibonacci, everybody. I don't have it, so I need to chart. Green go to green. Let's chart the Fibonacci. I believe this one was the last one. And there you go. Green goes to green. And then Fibonacci, give me a second. I'm going to double check in here. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Out this one. There you go. And up and down, out this one, out. This is from previous lessons. Out this trend line. So this is the most recent Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. Market structure on the 4-hour. Alright. Are you already in the trade? So market structure, which is also called market wave. Market wave. Alright, market wave, exit full screen. Let's go on the daily. I'm going to clone the chart, not close but clone chart. Clone the chart, putting down in here daily and daily. And how is the market wave on the 4-hour chart, right? Market wave. Give me a second. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to move then. Give me a second, everybody. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, extension. Lower low, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. And then the market broke again. Extension, so we were down market wave and now we are here, right? Now we are here, and if I out and out, this one out and out and out and out. Market wave on the 4-hour chart, extension, retracement, extension, and now we can go on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, it was retracement and extension and retracement. So Shola, where is your stop loss? Don't worry everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Questions for you, Shola. Number 1, are you already in a trade, yes or no? Number 2, where is your stop loss? And hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Clara, how are you going to take advantage of this market instead of this market taking advantage on you? What do you think about Shola's trade, everybody? Good trade, bad trade, high probability, low probability? How is Shola positioned? Boss, do you think this would be a good Fibonacci trade? Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Give me a second. Well, yes, it would be, right? But we missed the train. We missed the train on this. This was the entry here. This counter trend line break. This counter trend line break. This counter trend line break. We missed the train, right? A few times. Any other currency pairs, everybody? And short-term trend, GBP, JPY. And now, give me a second. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Sure, yeah, you can also system trade. There is no right or wrong. It's up to you. Alright? You can system trade if you want. There is no right or wrong. If you are using this system, you know, so far, you know, those two are green, this is white, so you can enter, why not? Boss, can I system trade with pattern stop loss? You can, but it's dangerous because you must re-enter. Make sense? This is the skill. Shola says stop loss. Give me a second, everybody. I'm going to color code this at and coordinates. Shola is saying stop loss at 172.396. Too far away, Shola. Too far away. Too far away. Your stop loss should be down here, up in here. 175,500, Shola. Wrong stop loss. Your stop loss should be 175,500. Alright? Now look what's going to happen, Shola. What was 172.396. Look what is going to happen. If this is 1% of risk, and if you go per 2, not right or wrong. And now if you go on the weekly chart, what do you see, Shola? There is no right or wrong, but it's going to be Christmas all over again before the not right or wrong. You need to be aware, make sense? You need to be aware what are you doing. You know? Not right or wrong. And Clara is on the demo account, which is good. You know? Give me a second, GBP weekly chart. Now if this is the Fibonacci, right? And Shola stop loss one more time. Shola stop loss, edit coordinates 172.396. Alright? Talking about retracement, so based on the Fibonacci on the weekly, right? The market can, there is no right or wrong, but the market can stop you out. And and also the market wave, you know, extension, retracement, extension. Look at the retracement levels. All right, there is no right or wrong, fair enough, but you must be aware, you know. So it's my firm belief that long term the market is going to hit the extension. Shola, are you ready to be Christmas again? Not 2023, 2024 before the market hits the stop, the take profit. Let me say hi in the chat. I have a heart in between. Boss, does the currency index move in between the monthly bands like the currency pair? Answer, no. No, it's not. No. Index, it's a different asset class. Stocks market, Forex market, the indexes market. The answer is no. Everybody, we're all the same, alright? Alright, fair enough, we're all the same. I know what you're thinking already. Oh, I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to put how to trade indexes, and I'm telling you, those guys don't know. Don't do this. Don't do this. You have no one professional trader on YouTube, not even one. There are none. Don't do this. Make sense? Why not? Because you're going to learn in the wrong way and you're going to waste your time. 90%, I keep repeating, you know, 90% of world population is not stupid. But why would an investment bank or a hedge fund or a broker who is trading, why would those guys teach you for free? You need to wake up, everybody, make sense? You need to wake up, start to think. Make sense? You need to start to think. I have some friends in Thailand, alright, and I'm not talking about Brazil. Oh, you know, I don't have the money. It's all good, I understand. But you're still going to do the right thing. You think that you're smart, and you think that you're going to go on YouTube, and you think that you're going to learn on YouTube how to basket trade. And I'm telling you already, you have none, not even one. You have videos, sure, but they're teaching you bullshit. Make sense? You're going to learn the golden unicorns and dolphins. Make sense? Julius, I know what you're thinking. I'm telling you, don't do this. And of course, you're not going to listen to it. Alright, everybody, next. Next. What do we have? Oh, let's check the consolidation pairs. How it's NZD. Or type in the chat a currency pair you want to trade, everybody. Or type in the chat the currency pair that you have a question. Expose yourself with the losing trade. You know, oh, I'm shorting euro dollar 5 times. What's wrong with euro dollar? Otherwise, it's going to be me telling you what to do. Alright, and this is not the purpose of the Forex trading week. You should be trading, not me. Make sense? Boss, I want to be the independent trader. Really? Where are the trade ideas? Alright, AUD, NZD monthly chart. If JForex wants to work, not working, so one more time we are going to go here and NZD, AUD, NZD, AUD, NZD, AUD, NZD, wow, no brainer, this is the easy one, you know. So we are here, I need to out of this one, and we are here, and we are also here, and we are also here, you know. And now nothing new. This is the monthly chart. I'm going to buy the market down here. I'm going to sell the market up in here. And next, I love and prefer Forex, so I'm going to go and look on Euro GBP. But we can't afford the payment of the lecture. Shola, you can exchange values in different ways. Talk to Clara, talk to Julius. Dollar is too high to our money. I understand. But connect to Julius and Clara and talk to those guys. You know? You can bring one or two and you have for free, right? This kind of boss, I don't watch video from YouTube. Then it's alright. Not working, you know, Euro GBP, no entry. Euro GBP, no entry. Don't waste time, everybody, with this kind of currency pairs. See here the X, don't trade this one. No brainer, going to buy in here, short in here. So out. And I believe we are done with consolidation pairs, right? Against this one. Euro GBP is the second one, and GBP CAD not. USD CAD, let's check USD CAD, consolidation pair, and give me a second. Wow, this could be an entry, right, everybody? Let's see Forex first. And open, and let's go on USD CAD. It's huge amount, how can you help? Julius and Clara are going to tell you. Connect on Skype with Julius and Clara. Those guys know. Julius lives in Brazil. Dollar is too expensive. Clara lives in Africa. The African dinar, or whatever the name, is too expensive. It's, you know. I'm trying to help you, believe me, but you are going to pay something, or in labor, or in money. All right? Price, it's a filter. I'm not going to do this for free. Not anymore. No, not anymore anyway. I thanked John. It was the guy who, you know, who didn't appear. Thanks to John, I was giving everything and teaching everything for free, looking for traders. And then one day, John, I'm inventing the name of course, but then one day John didn't appear. USD CAD daily chart. Alright everybody, any idea how to trade USD CAD? Long, short, sideways. How are you going to take advantage of this one? You are going to pay some, I don't care, believe me. You can pay in labor, right? Like you and Ernesto built the manual back in time. So, you have Forex course 202, 12 months for free, but next year, Shola, prepare yourself. Alright? Partner up, help each other, whatever. Alright everybody, long or short? USD CAD, whatever time frame, there is no right or wrong. Come on, Forex, not working. No, come on, not working. Doesn't work. And whoa, I don't have anything on this chart. No pivot points, nothing. Need to build. Remember everybody, in January, we had a meeting, remember? In January we are starting a hedge fund. Alright, so me too, I need to build my charts again. This is the monthly, this is the weekly, this is the daily. Don't stress out, you have 3 months. Allah, do you want to join the hedge fund in January, Allah? We don't talk much, Allah, but do you want to join the hedge fund in January? We are going to trade like a real hedge fund. Allah, do you want to join? USD CAD, right? No. In order to join the hedge fund, you must go, or you must be part of the US dollar index course, which Allah was, or why war? Because some people don't like the Fibonacci, and it's alright. Or you join the Fibonacci mastery course. It's one or the other. You can do both too. Allah says, I will try. This is your opportunity. January we start. We started last year. We're doing this year again. Once per year. The train is at the station, you know. 15th of January we start. Nobody's going to die, of course, but if you miss the train, you know, you're going to wait for the next train. January 2025 is going to be the next train. Alright everybody, so USD CAD, monthly chart, long or short? Boss, I don't know what to do. Do everything. There is a lot happening. Julius, you can do this too. Julius, you can do this too, if you want. For yourself, Julius. Put your beautiful face on the line. I mean, you are more beautiful than me, right? Alright? Julius, offer to your student private classes in a group if you want. Alright? Just an example. Long, short, what? USD CAD, everybody. Weekly chart, weekly chart, weekly chart. Alright, how are you going to make money on USD CAD? Going long, going short, what can we do? We've learned trend lines. This is the up trend line. We've learned extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. This is what we've learned. You know, this shouldn't be a class. We've learned trend lines. You know, and how beautiful is this beautiful bullish candlestick formation at the backside of the down trend line, and the market is moving up, and now the market is retesting the bullish candlestick formation, you know, and the short-term trend. The short-term trend was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and now it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And here you have the counter trend line break again, you know, and on the 4-hour chart it's all the same, and the market now is going to hit past support of sort, right? We don't know where, so this was this in here, alright, and can I enter the market, just an example, and put my stop loss in here, and I take profit up in here? Would this be a way to go? This is the graphical representation of risk, and this is the graphical representation of profit. Can you do this, everybody? And because all of you hedge fund traders are quiet, I am going to now buy USD CAD. I'm not going to calculate risk, I'm just going to buy, submit orders, and I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to go on the daily chart, and I'm going to move my stop down to stop loss. I'm going to move the stop loss down to here, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss down to here. Alright, and I'm going to move my take profit, double click maybe, whoop, take profit up to here. I'm not sure how can, there you go, maybe. No, I don't want to close the order, I want to put the take profit, so I'm going to go up in here and take profit, and I'm going to add take profit, and whoops, not this one, this one. Give me a second. Yeah, it's going slowly. Then I'm going to, alright, submit orders. So one more time, I'm going to move the take profit up in here, submit, whoop. Position, USD CAD, cancel and X. So one more time, I want to move my take profit. Oh, there you go. Finally, can I move it? Can I move the take profit? Oh, it's one click, alright. I need to click on it, and then it moves, right? Julius is laughing. It's alright, it's all good. Everybody, what do you think about this trade? Low probability, high probability, can you do this? USD CAD. You know, that's the risk. I'm going long on. Can anybody explain to me why I did this? It's all, everything is on the chart. Can you see it, everybody? Type in the chat, yes I can see it, or type in the chat, no I cannot see it. Was the entry here or not? Just an example. Was the entry here or not? Was the entry here? The market was telling you, you know, counter trendline break, bullish candlestick formation. This is the daily chart. Here Elvis has left the building, the train has left the station, and then the market back down and retesting the level that I was sleeping or traveling or walking the dogs, you know. So I missed this opportunity, you know, and now the market gives me another opportunity to re-enter on the same setup of the same strategy. Can you see this, everybody? Exactly, it's the same setup from same strategy. Just an example. Make sense? If you are correct on the direction as an analyst, you know, then you need to find high probability, high, what's the word in English? High quality setups, right? If this market is going to go up, then it really doesn't matter how or where you enter. Agreed, everybody? I mean, not blindly, of course. But talking about extension, retracement, extension, the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and start making the first hard high. This is where the market is telling you we are not going down anymore, we are ready to go up. Now, fair enough, what is my technical risk? My technical risk is that this market is in consolidation, alright? And maybe from here, this is my technical risk. Can you see it, everybody? Jules says yes. Well, what are you waiting for then? What are you waiting for? It's always the same. It's always the same. Forex course 101 for 5 years, Dukascopy webinars, or 6 years, I don't even remember. It's always the same, always the same, always the same. Alright everybody, let's finish for today. Tomorrow we're going to check this trade, how it goes. Messages. Alright, not relevant. Clara is saying, but what of now that dollar index is going down will not affect the trades? See everybody, you are thinking without knowledge. Make sense? You are, I'm not judging you, but you are asking questions without the proper knowledge. See, you're already thinking that you know, right? Everybody, you cannot jump forward, I'm sorry. I know what the guys are doing, make sense? They see something from the video, they see a pre-trade checklist from the video, they see something there and they believe they're going to do it. You can't. You can do it by yourself. Not with the proper knowledge. I have to wait for bullish candlestick pattern to form on 4 hour and the counter to random before I can go long. Alright, it's all good. It's all good, there is no right or wrong. But see the difference, Julius, between what I do, just an example, and what you do? What's the difference? Most of you out there, you are going to put the stop loss down in here. And you think that you are smart. And me and my 2 dogs, we are going to put the stop loss down in here. Alright? And in between, the market is going to play around with you. And it's going to stop you out. Boss, but you told me there is no right or wrong. True. But if you have loser, 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 start to think something is not right. Agreed, everybody? It's always the same, believe me, but I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. I've read all of those books behind me. I don't know. People are going to suffer and lose money for 3 years, 5 years, all of them, all of you out there. And then you're going to be crying to me, oh, please help me. You know, I'm not sure who said, when the student is ready, the teacher is going to appear. You know the quote? When you're going to suffer and lose money and lose time for 5 years, you're going to burn few accounts. You know, you're going to try doing that, and you're going to do it by yourself. And one day it's going to click you, you know, well, I cannot do this by myself. I really can't. And I'm going to shut up and I'm going to listen to the boss. And I'm going to start to do what he's telling me to do. I was the same. I was the same. I was the same, been there, everybody, been there with one tarp. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a responsible business owner, trade like a boss, because you are the boss of your account, everybody. See you back tomorrow. Tomorrow, all of you online, I want to hear trade ideas. You are not learning here. I want to hear from you trade ideas. Allah, you too. Don't thank me. I didn't do anything today. This session today was a catastrophe in terms of learning. I want trade ideas from you guys. Not the beginner ones, not the beginner ones, not the beginner ones. But Allah, Clara, Julius, Shola, Ernesto, John and Jane, who are with me 3 years plus on Dukascopy webinars. I want to hear trade ideas. Don't appear tomorrow. Do we have a deal? Type in the chat, yes, we have a deal, boss. Do we have a deal? It's for you for free, but I'm still looking for traders. Do we have a deal? And incubation accounts. Incubation accounts, give me a second. Incubation accounts are waiting for you. Ala, yes boss. Clara, yes. Incubation accounts are waiting for you. Alright? You put 1,000, I'm going to put 4. You put 5,000. I don't have the, I need to ask for the permission to see another account, it's personal. But you put 5,000, I'm going to put 20 more. And it's live account, not demo. Alright? Incubation accounts are waiting. So we have a deal till tomorrow. Trade ideas. Alright everybody, thank you very much. See you back tomorrow. Yeah, we have a deal. Alright, tomorrow